Are you frustrated with trying to memorize and understand the parts of the brain? Well, not to worry. Let me talk you through the parts of the brain. To begin, the brain is split into two parts, the left and right hemispheres with contralateral control. The left hemisphere is for language and logic tasks, and the right is for spatial and creative tasks. The two hemispheres are split by the corpus callosum, which allows the two sides to communicate. The brain consists of 4 different lobes of the cerebral cortex, which is the most developed part of our brain, thinking, understanding, and producing language. The frontal lobe controls thought and emotion and contains the motor cortex, which transmits signals to the body, controlling muscle movements. The frontal lobe also contains Broca's area, which makes speech possible by controlling the muscles that produce speech. If Broca's area is damaged, Broca's aphasia limits the ability to speak. The parietal lobe contains the sensory cortex, which gets touch sensations from the body. Also in the parietal lobe is the angular gyrus, which processes numbers, language, and deals with spatial cognition and memory. Towards the back of the brain, the occipital lobe controls vision, and the visual cortex codes messages from the eyes into images that we see. The temporal lobes are not lateralized and are in both hemispheres of the brain, which process sound from the ears, which are interpreted in the auditory cortex. The temporal lobes consist of Wernicke's area, which allows us to understand language. Now let's look at the specific structures of the brain.